guys, welcome back to another video. So, as you might remember, I had that R9 290X 8GB from MSI and I baked it 2 times, but then it stopped working again and another time after that. So I put it in the oven at 250 instead of 200 degrees because I thought, oh well, let's give it a try. Seems to need more temperature than only 200 degrees, so I went with 250, but sadly the caps didn't survive that, so one more death. So these caps grew too. They're big and black now. They were blue and white before. All of these popped out, even the one in the front there. As you can see, they popped out as well. And yeah, overall the PCB turned blackish instead of greenish. Yeah, and this is the catastrophe, really. Look at all the capacitors. They popped out. I'm really wondering, like, okay, I mean, it looks damaged, but it just popped out. And I guess it's because the tin just was fluid all together again, so they just could pop out eventually. I mean, the caps itself, these are all intact. No capacitor exploded or anything. Well, these look pretty bad, I understand that, but they also didn't explode. They just moved out of the PCB, just like these. Well, anyhow, I guess this GPU is finally destroyed. It was slow, but in an inevitable death. And now we know that you shouldn't bake GPUs at 250 degrees. The backside looks pretty well, like before, so no worries there. Looks pretty fine. No change here that I could detect. Yeah, but I guess I would have tried to use the card again if this thing didn't came out, but well, that's how we go. So I guess I'll just sell the code on eBay and put this thing into its grave. Sadly, yeah. But we also know now that these connectors don't get damaged even at 250. But these do. As you can see here. DVI connector went in. This one is grilled as well. These look fine. But yeah, so what this comes down to is, I think, what you smell when you bake are these colorized caps and these two plastic things here in the front. So yeah, I guess this is the last video in the series of GPU baking for now, although I got another candidate over here, which is an R9 295X2, which is also broken because the secondary 8-pin connector burned out, and I've got to clean it out and try again, but that's a video for another time. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I mean, Yeah, that's all left to say. Thanks and goodbye.